Managing multiple wallets is one of the coolest features of Starbot. There are a lot of reasons why you might want multiple wallets, such as monitoring different portfolios, or keeping investments separate, or even importing a Coinbase wallet and a MetaMask wallet and keeping those separate for your trading. Let's walk through the specifics. So look at all these buttons and colors. Don't worry, it will all make sense shortly. First, by clicking the blue wallet name, you can open your wallets on etherscan. This is useful to track transactions and dates and amounts of a trade. Next, you can simply copy your wallet address by clicking the long contract address. Useful for transferring ETH into your Starbot wallet. You can also have Starbot generate a brand new fresh wallet. And you can also import an existing wallet from Coinbase, MetaMask, Ethos, or anywhere really by entering its private key. It's usually not too difficult to figure out how to find your private key in those apps. Here you can rename your wallet within Starbot. Get jiggy with it. I named mine Get to the Chopper. Finally, you can disconnect, delete Starbot's connection to a wallet. There you have it. If you're just being introduced to the Starbot, check out the amazing 75% community revenue share from trading fees, or the even better 50% referral commissions. This is mind-blowing that these guys are so generous. Starbot. Become an all-star trader.